Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a very special unboxing and we have little Prince here and we are going to talk about my caramel handbag. And if you couldn't guess, we have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I am so excited. I don't know the last time I've unboxed Louis Vuitton on this channel. It's been a while. This collection, it's got some beautiful brown cognac pieces. Of course, I could not resist. I've been looking for a caramel handbag, and there's some beautiful ones from YSL right now and from Louis Vuitton, and obviously I did pick a Louis Vuitton handbag. So let's get right into the unboxing. So excited. Here is the box. In my essay did add a twilly, so you can see, here we go. It's the Speedy. Isn't this perfection? I died when I saw this one. Love the understated leather, and this color is everything. I just think it's perfection. The little twilly he added is so cute. I do have another one on the way as well. It's from that fall collection, the latest one, but I do like how this brown matches very nicely against this cognac color. One of my favorite bags from Louis Vuitton is the Capucines, a beautiful handbag. The leather on that is amazing. So I knew that if the Speedy is anything like that, then this is going to be an amazing bag in my collection. What I also love about this one, you get the zip where you can see here where it comes down on the side. And Speedy lovers out there, I know you guys can relate that this is a great addition. Having that zipper makes it so much easier to get in and out of the handbag. I do love how the gold, it contrasts so nicely. Look at that. It just makes it so much easier to get in and out of the bag. This is going to be like my go-to casual bag. And I think you guys remember when I've had a couple of my past wish list videos, I talked about potentially adding a Speedy in my collection, even the Celine Boston bag. I was looking for more of a Boston bag type of vibe, and I was very hesitant because I wasn't sure if I really wanted to go with a monogram or canvas type of route, and so I held off. But this one I think is just totally more my vibe because it is more that understated. That was very pretty online, but then once I went to the Nordstrom store and I saw it in person, I was like, I can't walk away from this handbag because it is so beautiful. And knowing how I would use this bag, I would get so much use out of it. I knew that if I didn't jump on it, I would totally regret not getting this handbag, and really didn't want to pay a crazy resale price trying to hunt this one down when I could just get it from my local Louis Vuitton store. I was tempted by the Neverfull, but I do own the Neverfull in the monogram, and I just kind of wanted, I think, a different shape, and the Speedy was a style that I have been drawn to, and I missed having a Speedy since that was one of my first handbags in my collection. So were some of you guys thinking that I was going to pick a YSL bag? I was very close because the YSL handbags this season in those beautiful caramel brown tones, so beautiful. I think that puffer looks so lush and that style with the lambskin. And then you've got the baby Nikki. I do like how it has the crinkled leather because I think that's going to be pretty durable as a great everyday bag. The only thing was it didn't have a handle, and obviously the Speedy does. So I did go to YSL. I checked out their handbags. I thought they were beautiful. There's something to be said. It's like when you see this handbag in person, and for me, when I saw, I knew there was no question. I could not walk away from the store without purchasing this handbag. So to me, that there was no doubt that I made the right pick for me. I think in terms of potential cons could be the size. This is the size 25, which is the classic Speedy size. However, I was initially drawn to a 20. Unfortunately, they don't have this in a 20. I don't know if it'll ever be in that size, but I don't mind that, because this, I feel like I could put a good amount, especially seeing that I'm using this more as a day-to-day bag. Put a water, sunglasses, wallet. It'll fit a great amount and perfect for travel. Another thing was just more having the giant monogram. I think what helps for me is that it's more understated. I'm really not that big on having a lot of monograms, but again, because it is more understated, it's in this more dark color, I think it helps, and actually kind of like it. It's very unique for my collection. It doesn't have any metal feet on the bottom, but I think this leather seems pretty like durable, but I'm pretty decent with my handbags too. If you're on the fence about the Cognac color from Louis Vuitton this season, I would say pick this up. If you are a caramel Cognac lover like me, you will love this handbag. Okay guys, well, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you surprised with this latest handbag purchase? I'm so excited. I can't believe I was able to get this one. I think it's so beautiful. I'd love to hear your thoughts below, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.